We went for lunch to Pho 37, Union Square, Capstan Way in Richmond. This restaurant is so much larger than the Pho 37 in Ironwood. It's packed and very busy, and the best time I got to know later is to go after 2 p.m. I was very impressed with the friendly staff who were really hardworking, and the food would come to my table really quickly. The restaurant has a very grand feeling when you enter. Here again, you will see how friendly the staff is. Very good staff.
It's my name.
What's your name?
My name, yeah.
How do you say it?
Yeah. Fong.
The manager and the staff were very helpful to explain the menu. Very friendly staff.
Take a picture of the beautiful lady.
The staff just lights up your spirit.
I'm handsome.
The service here is really excellent and friendly staff. Here is what their menu looks like. They serve breakfast as well. I liked how the menu had a little bit of spicy items as well. I took number 31 on the menu with a large portion of lemongrass chicken on rice, shrimp salad rolls, and spring rolls and additional salad. I couldn't finish it, so we had to pack some to go. We also ordered an additional side of spring rolls. The spring rolls came with a delicious peanut sauce. You get complimentary tea in their beautiful silver cups. The food was really delicious and we enjoyed it very much. We also ordered number 25 on their menu, which is sauteed lemongrass beef on vermicelli noodles. This too was a very large portion with lots of beef in it. This came with a really hot bone broth that was delicious.